What's the meaning of auction room? Auction room. Auction room.
Auction room. Auction room. An auction room is a place where items or properties are sold to the highest bidder through an auction. The auctioneer typically stands at the front of the room and accepts bids from interested buyers, with the highest bidder winning the item. Auction rooms can be physical locations or online platforms, and they are often used to sell a wide range of items, such as art, jewelry, antiques, collectibles, and real estate. The success of an auction depends on factors such as the quality and rarity of the items being sold and the number and willingness of bidders to participate.